There again, we made the oversized rolling barn door on the laundry room side. So it did not take up any space in the kitchen. And if you can see through here, there's cabinets here. These are actually the kitchen cabinets that were repurposed and put into the laundry room. And I had a cabinet guy to paint them because they were like a stain finish. Actually, they were a faux finish. So we built new integrated doors and put integrated handles on them to match the cabinets out here, but we did repurpose the kitchen cabinets, and that saved us a lot of money. We put them over top of the laundry room and a bank of storage cabinets. Just when you walk in, you have umbrellas and all that kind of crap in. And heated floors. This is the nicest thing. When you walk down here, do you feel the heat? When you walk down, it's not all over the floors, only in traffic areas and things like that. But the heated floors are really nice. I regret it so badly that I didn't put them in my bathroom. Thought about it and I thought, no, but now I wish I had.